Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty by Chick. So today I decided to make a fun little video to showcase 5 great benefits of using coconut oil. I just really started dabbling using coconut oil this past year, more so than ever. But because I've been using it more frequently, I decided to make a little video to just tell you guys a little bit about just some of the uses. Before I start telling you all the uses, I'm going to share with you the jar that I'm using. And this is what it is. It's the President's Choice brand, and it looks like that. You basically get an 860 milligram jar for $10, I think. And I know there are other bargains out there. I think you can also order it from Amazon and get like a giant tub for it's just more quantity for, you know, a better price. In fact, I'll do the research for you guys. I will do a research and I'll find you guys a good bargain, and I'll put it in the description box below where you can get probably a larger size for a lot less. Anyways, jumping into my uses. So this past year, like I mentioned before, the first use for me has been in my daughter's hair. Her hair loves coconut oil. It soaks it up. She has super long hair past her hips, and it's just so moisturizing. I actually use it in her hair to not only hydrate it to help in the detangling process, but sometimes I use it as a deep conditioner. So that's actually 2 uses right there. I actually use it as a deep conditioner. I put it in her hair and put on a bag or a cap or something and leave it on for I'd say a good half hour really. And then her hair is usually really so much more manageable. So that's 2 uses right away. I'll probably still throw in a bonus one because that wasn't meant to be. But the third use for me this past year has actually been like a makeup remover. I've been applying it to my makeup remover pads or whatever. And then I basically use it especially to remove my eye makeup. So here you can see me applying a little coconut oil to some toilet paper, and then I gently wipe my eyes to remove the excess makeup, which gives me that raccoon eyes that is just not fun. Certain eye makeup remover will irritate my eye. The coconut oil doesn't ever do that because it's so natural. The fourth thing that I've been using it for is a facial moisturizer. I've been using coconut oil for the past about 7 months consistently, and I haven't used anything else to moisturize my face. I find that it just leaves my skin feeling nice and supple and just healthy and natural. And my skin, I've been getting less breakouts. I haven't been, because I'm not applying just like other things with ingredients that aren't necessary on my face. So, and I definitely think that my skin has improved as a result of it. My skin's been looking clearer. I'm getting less breakouts and less hyperpigmentation. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'd probably say that's like my most beneficial use. The fifth use, I think I'm on to 5. Yep, 5. Number 5 would be the fact that I use it on my baby. Since she's been born, even though I have had like a few baby products sitting about, moisturizers and whatnot, I do prefer to use the more natural ingredient on her. This is what I've been using on her the entire time. Use it in her hair, use it on her skin. And here is just a video of my baby's nighttime routine, and coconut oil is a staple because, like I've said, I use it to moisturize her and I use it in her hair. And it just leaves her feeling nice and soft, as babies already do, but I don't have to worry about any harmful chemicals that I'm putting on her, because you hear so many things about so many things. You just hear so many things to be concerned about. So to just eliminate that concern, the extra concern, I have decided to just utilize, you know, the coconut oil and its benefits. If it's good for my skin, I'm pretty sure it's good for my baby's skin, and I feel really good about it. So I'll throw in a bonus one. Another great use for coconut oil, of course, is just for cooking. It's great for cooking, for baking, and it's just overall healthy for you. So I hope you found this video to be beneficial, and if you have, leave a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite way to use coconut oil. And if you have others that I have not listed, share with us down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and much love, guys.